Unical Radio International, Entertainment 360, Edutainment 360, Infotainment 360. We smile like that.
Good evening, my dear students. I come before you this evening to very heartily appreciate great Malabites and Malabresses for the love, the commitment, the patriotism, the dedication that they showed yesterday during the event of the Inferno that almost gulfed 3 of our buildings. It would have been a very different story by now, but for my Malabites and Malabresses that actually had to risk their lives to save the day, to save the buildings. And I just thought that it wouldn't be fair if I don't come out here to appreciate each and every one of you. I want to let you know that I appreciate you, I thank you, I'm very happy. I encourage you to remain the good students that you are. And of course, you know I always love you. And I will always love you. And you really have shown that great love towards me and the university as demonstrated by your bravery yesterday. I can't thank you enough. Malabites and Malabresses, just yesterday night I got a call that the medical center, then I was told medical center was on fire, but eventually I discovered that it wasn't the medical center, it was actually our central stores. And the section of the store that was so affected is the section of the furniture, the section that has to do with stationaries, the section that has to do with the office equipment, and a lot of other things we had there. Sad as it is that we've lost all those ones, but I'm very grateful that at least we were able to save the medical center and the student affairs, which are just together with the central stores. I don't know what would have happened, but for the bravery exhibited by my students, I can't really thank you less. Great Malabites and Malabresses, all I want to say that we are in this business together. As great stakeholders of the University of Calabar, let me again remind you that you are critical stakeholders indeed, that this system cannot be without you. The university is essentially set up for you. Without you, there is no university. Without you, there will be no VC. Without you, there will be no lecturers. There will be no workers in this school. So you are the first among equals. And so we'll continue to do everything within our powers, especially as your Vice Chancellor. My policies, I've always explained to you that they are geared towards making you better citizens, helping you to come out of the university and be able to help yourself, make yourself proud, make your families proud, and eventually be great ambassadors of the University of Calabar. I really want to say once more that whenever and at any time, anywhere, that the cry come or there's need for you to exhibit what you did yesterday, please don't hesitate to really show the fact that you own this university. You really own this university, and you showed to the world that you did that. As I ran around yesterday trying to look for fire service to come, from the state fire service to the federal fire service to the NPA to the airport and eventually to EPZ fire service, that I was able to bring a truck. But you know that it was like 3 hours passed between the time the fire was sighted and the time the truck eventually arrived. But for you, it would have been a different story in the University of Calabar. Stories that are going on out there, that the registry of, that's what people intended. If it was man-made, I don't know whether it is as a result of electrical fault. I have just set up a panel chaired by the university librarian, represented by all the union leaders. The 4 union leaders are part of the committee. They are to investigate the remote and immediate cause of the fire incident, They are also to come up with suggestions and also to determine the financial loss in the course of the fire incident. Thereafter, we'll be able to make our report known to the higher authority. For now, I want to urge each and every one of you to go about your normal businesses, remain God-fearing students, remain law-abiding, and continue to show the love you showed yesterday night. Great Malabite and Malabresis always show reasonable action and know that this mother of yours so much love you, and thank you so much for returning the love and making me feel so proud of all that you of who you are in the University of Calabar. Thank you very much. God bless each and every one of us. Thank you.
Unical Radio International, Entertainment 360, Edutainment 360, Infotainment 360. We smile like that.